Hello, boys and girls. You are ready for your next spelling sort, which is sort 25. I made a small adjustment to the top of your spelling list so that it looks like mine. We are going to focus on the OR sound, an R influenced O, and we are looking for that sound in the first and second syllable of the words. There will be two oddballs hiding in the sort, but the important thing to note is we are going to have 5 separate categories this time because we are really going to pay attention to the spelling of these words, whether it's O-R or O-R-E. So I want you to go ahead and get your first color, and I am going to just have to change the color of this to pink, for example. We're going to look for words that have the OR sound in the first syllable that are just spelled O-R. So for example, the word morning, we have the OR sound, O-R, right here in the first syllable. That would be the example for this header. So there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 that would also belong in the first syllable OR sound spelled O-R. So the first word we're going to look for is shorter, shorter, shorter. That OR sound is in the first half and spelled O-R. The next word we're going to look for is order. Put these words in order. First syllable, O-R spelling. The next word we can look for is the word corner. Please walk around the corner. O-R, first syllable, corner. The next word we can look for is the word normal. It is normal to be hot during the summer. Normal. So the O-R pattern in the first syllable. Our next word is the word 40. I had 40 pieces of candy for dessert. 40. O-R in the first syllable. Your next word is northern. We're going to walk northern on the trail. O-R in the first syllable. Your next word is border. Border. First syllable, O-R. The next word we have is a corn cob. Corn cob. Something we can decorate with. Corn cob. Or, of course, what we end up with after we eat. O-R spelling in the first syllable. The next word is chorus. Some of you might join the 5th grade chorus. O-R in the first syllable. The next word we have is florist. A florist. O-R in the first syllable. Florist. The last word I'm going to look for is the word stormy. Stormy. It looks stormy outside today. Stormy. First syllable, O-R. Now there is one more word hiding in there that has an OR sound in the first syllable, and that is the word forest, except it's spelled different. So I'm going to get my second color, and I'm going to highlight the other example in blue, and I'm going to find forest, O-R-E, forest. That is the first syllable, but it's spelled differently. So that is the only one in the first syllable, O-R-E. Now we're going to look for that OR sound in the second half of the word, the second syllable. So I'm now going to pick my third color and focus on the O-R spelling. So maybe this time I'll go with, what color should I go? Like an orange, a dark orange, maybe green. How about I go green? Green with the O-R spelling. O-R spelling. So I'm not going to highlight the header because as you can see, the header is an ORE. So the first word that I'm going to find in this pattern, an OR spelling, is the word record. Please record your answer. The OR in the second half is going to be green. Record. The next word we can find is perform. If you perform during a task, you are doing well, hopefully. Perform, or in a play. Perform. That OR, second half. The next word I can find is the word report. Please report to your homeroom. Report. That OR sound in the second syllable. And the last one in this category is the word inform. Please inform me of your decision for the birthday party. Inform. OR in the second half. Now, there are a few others hiding that have the ORE pattern, or in the second half. So let's pick our fourth color. How about I go with purple here? Second syllable ORE. So now I'm able to fill in this header before with purple with the ORE underlined. There are 4 in there. So the first word I'm going to find is ashore. After we get off the boat, we can come ashore. Ashore. Second syllable ORE. The next word I can find is explore. Explore. We can go explore the woods. Explore. ORE, second syllable. The next word we can find is the word ignore. Please ignore the distraction. Ignore. Second syllable ORE. And the last word that fits in these categories is the word adore. I adore baby puppies. Adore, ORE. So what you'll notice left are these oddballs. Sorry does not have an or sound. I'm not saying sorry. It's sorry. It has a different sound. So that makes this an oddball. And the same thing with the word reward. It has that or kind of sound to it, but the pattern, the A, makes it different. So those are your oddballs. And if you want, you can definitely make that a final color. Maybe I'll fill these 2 in with yellow. They do not fit any pattern. So what your test is going to look like, you are going to have all 5 categories. You will spell your 15 words like you typically do, and then you will need to sort them. Is it first syllable OR? Is it first syllable ORE? Second syllable OR? Second syllable ORE? Or an oddball? So this is going to be your list. If you have any questions, raise your hand. You need to start cutting out your words right now and beginning your first spelling activity. I will see you soon. Good luck.